Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Pretty Little Thing. So let's get started. First, launch open Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in Pretty Little Things and perform your search. Now tap on Pretty Little Thing application. To install Pretty Little Thing, tap on the Install button. It might take a while to download this app. And this is how you can install Pretty Little Thing. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.